Good morning, good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Alright. Okay, so today is Swedish Meatballs. Quick, fast, easy, cheap Swedish Meatballs. Now, unless you're an old Italian woman or an old Eastern European woman, you don't have all day to make meatballs the old-fashioned way. Most of you are working moms, or you just don't like to be in the kitchen much. So that's okay, we got this. So right now, I started without you again. I know, I'm supposed to wait for you. But you know, watching the little things is like watching grass grow. It's boring, so y'all don't want to see boring. Y'all got things to do. Alright, so what I have done is, I need to fix that is what I need to do. I'm going to leave my lid. This is a bag of meatballs. Meatballs. Alright? And what I'm doing is, I just put a little bit of olive oil in here. These are homestyle meatballs. Just put a little bit of olive oil in them. And I'm just browning them off on a low heat, because they're frozen, so I'm thawing them out and browning them off. So while that's going on, I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit now. While that's going on, and right here I got a pot of water getting ready to boil for egg noodles. So now I'm going to cut up some mushrooms. Because everybody loves mushrooms. Hope y'all been doing alright, enjoying this beautiful spring weather. Getting ready for Easter. I have been so stupid busy, it's not even funny. Just been crazy busy, so I hadn't even had a chance to do anything Eastery yet. But I will be. Just give me some time. I know I have been very, very off my game with getting y'all videos, but I'm getting there. I'm coming back. It's just a matter of time management right now. I've been having to plant and do all this other stuff, and it's just been crazy, insane. But we're coming back now. We're coming back. The dust is starting to settle. Get things back in order. All that kind of good, happy, crappy stuff. Can't have too much mushrooms. Now you can put onions in this, but I don't want to. So I don't particularly want to. Now normally Swedish meatballs are meatballs in a rich brown gravy with sour cream. Alright? But it takes forever to do that. So, and because this is common sense shortcut cooking, we're going to do it the common sense shortcut living way. You want these pretty much browned up before you start with the sauce. Okay? And this is one pan. We're just going to do it all in one pan. And then throw the mushrooms in on there. See how well they mix in. See if that's enough. If it's not, I'll cut up some more. We don't like mushrooms. Well, then don't use mushrooms. That's common sense. You know that. That's common sense. Want to say hello to my newest viewer in London? Cheerio! Haha! Hip hip! Okay. So that's about the extent of my English. As y'all know, I'm still learning English. Alright. So now, I'm going to let that just kind of sizzle away. Now, you can use red wine if you have it. I was just at the store and forgot to get red wine, so we're not going to use wine. But I do have beef broth, so I am going to use some beef broth. What does that do? Why does it do that? Remember the term? Deglazing. We're getting all the good stuff that's sticking to the bottom off and into the sauce. Okay? That's what we're doing. Alright? Got it? Got it? You got it. Okay. Turn it down a little bit. You don't want it at a rolling boil. You want it kind of low. At a simmer, not at a boil. Because it'll all boil out before you get it done. This is cream of mushroom soup. Remember, two soups you should always have in your pantry. Cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. You could do anything in the world. I mean, you see them on sale, just buy them up. Stock up on it. This is, we're substituting the cream of mushroom for the sour cream. This will still give it that rich, brown, yummy taste, only a lot better, actually. If you want to know the truth, it's going to be a lot better. Be real careful on your salt. These mushrooms already have salt in them. They're already flavored, so I would go real careful, real light on the seasoning, unless you just like real salty food. Okay, now tell me that don't look good already. And we're what? 5 minutes into it? Package of brown gravy mix. I buy the low salt ones. I got several packages because I'm going to just keep watching it. If I think it needs more, then I will add more. And if I think it needs more, I will add more. Until it's the right way I want it. Alright, we're going to add another one. Add another one. And a little bit more beef broth to it. Because you got to have some good gravy, you know, an okay amount of gravy to go over the egg noodles. It's quicker to do this than it is to watch the water boil for the egg noodles. Seriously. Because guess what, folks? Guess what? It is now done. That's it. Start to finish, 4 minutes. You can't get much quicker than that. That's easy. Look, we're not even at a boiling stage to put the egg noodles in, and this is already done. Now, I could turn this down to a low simmer, put a lid on it, and let it simmer while the egg noodles cook, or you can just turn it off and let it simmer. But that's it. What do you think? Look good? I'm going to go out, after I leave you guys, I'm going to go out to the herb garden, get some parsley, chop up some fresh parsley and put over it, and call it done. I hope you like this. If you do, hit like, subscribe, and share below, and to keep more videos coming. The more I hear from you guys, the more videos I'll do. Y'all take it easy, and I promise I will see you next week before Easter to get you ready for that. All right, take care. See ya. Bye.